Welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm introducing a handy little program called CopyCat. It doesn't do much, but what it does is that it solves a very inconvenient problem. Sometimes as a teacher, you have to make lots of files and folders for students, especially younger ones who might have only just begun to know how to click a mouse. Firstly, set up your class lists by clicking the top button, then making as many text files as you like and adding a student's name to each line of the file. Then choose what you want to make. It has two options. If you want option 1, then go ahead and select a file. Then tick the classes you want to duplicate the file for. Then just click Start. Depending on the size of the file, this can be very quick. And as you can see, there is now a folder structure made next to our original file. The top folder is named after our file. The subfolders are named after the class names, and they hold named copies of our selected file. If you went with option 2, then you just go ahead and tick the classes, then click Start. It will let you select an output destination, and once you press OK, it will make a folder for each class. And fill those with an empty folder for each student. I teach multiple classes of young students, and CopyCat is really handy for those times I want to pre-make files for my students to work with. For example, I often make PowerPoint templates that I use to teach and assess general computer skills for my students, and this makes it super convenient to make a copy of each one, ready for my younger students to use. If you want to check it out, head over to the Teachers Pay Teachers page linked in the description down below and download the free demo to get a hands-on feel for how it works. If you think it'll make your day easier, then the full version is available for the cost of a cheap and nasty cup of coffee.